Welcome to a Tone Bogans episode, and we are looking at one of my favourite effects, if not my actual favourite effect. Now I say that it is a hard toss-up between delay and compression, but we're looking at delay. This is the Artist Time Travel delay pedal, which is pretty much a rebadged, oh, it's dusty and gross. It's a rebadged Joyo Iron Man. So if you can't find one of these on the secondhand market, just look for the Joyo Iron Man as well, a lot more popular. This is the tiniest multi-delay that I've come across. I think it's a multi-delay as well with the Joyo one, but I think they also did in that range maybe one that was just purely one style. I think it was like an analog delay. I am not really familiar with that line anymore. I did have more in my eBay. It was like going to your watch list and it's all it was all the Joyo Iron Man because I was just obsessed with tiny pedals. But they're not user serviceable, so I've kind of gone back to the ones that can be fixed if they need to, just purely for the sake of not sending a whole thing to landfill, because that's a massive waste. Anyway, so we've got the usual mix, time, feedback, but this one has some really cool settings. So it's got copy, which is digital. It's got an analog setting, which is really nice. It actually has modulated delay, putting in that beautiful chorused delay effect, which I love. I love it. I love anything that sounds remotely like a deluxe Memory Man or whatever. Anything to do with the Memory Man line that does that chorus and vibrato as part of the delay line. And then it's got filter as well. So that is effectively the wah plus the delay, which is super rad. So we'll have a quick look at that. Thanks so much for being here, and I hope this was another helpful demo for you. I'm hoping that you like this format of Tone Bogans and that you're enjoying the fact that it is an almost purely clean tone, so you can really get in and hear what the effect is doing. Catch you soon.